Ford, a third American brand, ranks 5th. The Ford brand earns a high reliability rating thanks to the Ford Expedition full-size SUV, the Ford Explorer and the Ford F-150 pickup truck. 44. Fords are built with a minimum lifespan of 100,000 miles, meaning it will likely take many years for its parts to wear out, assuming that it has the necessary maintenance. Actually, this is one of the main advantages of purchasing a used truck or car. 2022 Ford Escape. The 5-passenger Ford Escape is an affordable compact crossover with a wide range of engines, including hybrids. It provides plenty of standard safety features that make it an especially appealing choice for families. The Ford Escape is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 10 trim levels. The most popular style is the SE Forward, which starts at $30,015 and comes with a 1.5 L i3 turbo engine and front-wheel drive. The Ford Escape compact crossover is ideal for busy family life. It seats 5 passengers with a wide range of trim levels that make it easy to find one that fits both your needs and your budget. The Escape provides good fuel economy with a choice of gas, hybrid, or plug-in hybrid models. Its large suite of standard safety features and strong crash test ratings add to its family appeal. It's also well priced, lower than competitors such as the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. 2023 Ford Explorer. Whether you want a simple family mover, a rugged off-roader, or a leather-lined luxury shuttle, the stylish, roomy, and highly configurable Ford Explorer offers something for everyone. The Ford Explorer is a 7-seater vehicle that comes in 8 trim levels. An appealing blend of value and versatility has made the Ford Explorer a staple of American driveways for 3 decades. The 7-passenger SUV offers a wide range of powertrains and features capable of shaping it into a family workhorse, backwoods camper, old-world luxury coach, and a few stages in between. The Explorer's prices also reflect its breadth, starting at less than $40,000 and moving up to nearly $60,000. 2023 Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 is the best-selling full-size pickup in the U.S., thanks to its numerous trims and multiple engine options. The ride isn't as smooth as in some competitors, but the F-150 excels everywhere else with high tow ratings, a spacious cabin, and a versatile lineup. The Ford F-150 is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 8 trim levels. The Ford F-150 isn't just the best-selling truck in the country, it's the best-selling vehicle, period. It maintains this position by offering the configurations and features that truck buyers demand. It has high towing and payload ratings in trims that run from basic to luxury. Engine options include an efficient hybrid and the new electric F-150 Lightning, reviewed separately. 2023 Ford Bronco Sport. Like its larger sibling, the Bronco, the Ford Bronco Sport is a rugged SUV built to provide comfortable transportation both on and off-road. Its small size makes the Bronco Sport the more agile of the two, and it gets better fuel economy. Most crossovers don't offer genuine 4-wheel drive, but the Bronco Sport's 4x4 system can easily handle challenging roads. Customers get a roomy cabin with standard Apple CarPlay/Android Auto as well as plenty of space for road trip companions and cargo. The Ford Bronco Sport is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 6 trim levels. The Ford Bronco Sport is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact SUV with true off-road capabilities. Standard driver safety tech helps things remain secure on the highway, while a terrain management system makes the Bronco Sport a better off-roader than its rivals. 2023 Ford Maverick. With nimble handling and surprising utility, the Ford Maverick is a great pickup for those who want real truck capability with compact dimensions. The Ford Maverick is a 5-seater vehicle that comes in 3 trim levels. The hot-selling Ford Maverick has proven that customers have been waiting for a compact pickup at an affordable price. And buyers are rabid for this little truck for good reason. The Maverick is easy to drive, easy to park, returns great fuel economy, and can handle chores that other vehicles in this price class simply cannot. The Maverick is unlike other Ford trucks that rely on heavy, old-tech body-on-frame construction. Instead, the Maverick is built like a car with a lighter weight combined frame and body structure. It shares its mechanical bits with the Ford Bronco Sport and Ford Escape. And that's no bad thing because it drives more like a small SUV than a typical pickup truck. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.